friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I am in my baby girl's bedroom. We are doing a bedroom refresh in this video and I am so excited. I love changing up her space. She is only 4 years old, so changing up her space and getting her reaction really warms my heart. If you are new to the channel, my name is Tiana. I love home decor and I'm always transforming my spaces. I love to have a new fresh look and cozy vibe in my home. Stay tuned for this video because we'll be switching out some bed sheets, we'll be switching out some curtains, and I'll be cleaning and refreshing her space. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and let's get right into this video. Okay, let's get this sheet off her bed. I try to use light color sheets in her bedroom. Light color, I'm talking white. She has a mint green set and also a very light pink set, so I just stick with those colors because one, it's easier to wash, and two, it just makes it look very cozy. While I'm refreshing her space, I like to go in and just sanitize her area with some Lysol, whatever she's touching. Got this bookcase from Target. Truth be told, I want to remove it from her room, but my mom insists that it stays, so we are using it right now to keep her teddy bears. I don't like it, but I prefer to have the teddy bears in one space than all over the playroom, so we're gonna keep it here for now until I decide what I want to do. Right, so I'm going in with this vase that I got from Hobby Lobby. So her room is like a boho theme, so I love anything with the rattan design. So I'm just gonna put it in the corner here since we are keeping this bookcase in her room. Going in with these florals. This one specifically is from Hobby Lobby. I don't remember the name. I got it last year. So normally I just have it in the vase by itself, but I'm actually gonna give her something else because it is spring going on to summer. Then I'm going in with these beautiful hydrangeas. These were from Temu. They are a set of 6 and I love styling with them during the warmer months. So this is a book. Well, it's a faux book, but you can actually store stuff inside. This was from Hobby Lobby. It's in the gift section. It was $8.99. So I gave her a lot of bracelets and she had quite a few more. So I'm just putting them in here and closing it. And then I'm just going to use it right here. On top, I am going in with this. This is in the gift section, a set of mushroom. It was $6.99. So I'm just going to put it right here. All right, let's quickly style these hanging wall shelves. So I'm going in with this mini planter right here. I'm gonna go in and add these plants to the planter just to bring in some greenery in her space. Going in with this beautiful cactus plant. This was from Hobby Lobby. I don't remember the price, but it came in a vase and the texture is so beautiful. So I'm just gonna put that on the opposite side. I like to style with her little thing that we made for her, where she was born, and the date, the time, her weight, and her length with her name and her cute little footprints right there. These are some cute gift ideas. This was from Hobby Lobby as well in the gift section, and this was $2.49. And as you can see, I am styling with her browns, her greens, whites, just to tie in the boho effect in the room, and I'm injecting a little bit of pink as well. All right, so baby girl lamps, they are from Hobby Lobby. They were $69.99. I'm sure I got them on sale because I wouldn't pay that price for these lamps, but always try to go to Hobby Lobby when they have sale because there are always some good deals that you can find. First up, we are gonna get her curtains up. So I am switching out her curtains right now. She has up some linen, well, it's cotton curtains. They are of an oatmeal color. I am actually going in with a blush color. Yes, I decided to do blush. It is the same cotton. Love the texture. And my curtains are from 2 Pages. I love 2 Pages curtains. The quality is immaculate. Everything about their curtains screams top tier. It screams class, and I love using their products in my home. Their window treatments are the best. So they are custom, so I did go ahead, measure my windows. This is not my first time getting curtains from them, so I have a notepad with all my windows, the lengths, the widths, everything. However, this curtain is different. This does not come with the adjustable thing. The design is different. I saw it and I was like, this is perfect for baby girl's room. Look at this. So this curtain, it actually comes with some little bows, y'all. Look at that, how cute it is. So it's just the regular curtain. You put your curtain rods here and it hangs so beautifully. I was so nervous to try this. I've never done this style before, but I'm like, you know what, it's a summer month. I want to give baby girl room a little change, you know, just to feel a little bit more spring summer vibe. And what better way than to give her some curtain with some cute little bows. She is gonna love this. So the bows are lined at the top of the curtain. So let's get to hanging. So I did go ahead and put one up because I wanted to make sure that the height, the width, and everything works, and it is perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the other one on. Let's get these other 2 curtains up. Let's go ahead and take this one down. So we are washing them immediately once we take them down. My mom is not playing, no jokes. So I did customize these curtains with some tie backs because I don't want to keep sliding them back and forth during the day. So I'm just going to use these to tie them just to get some sunlight in.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way, promise me that you know the world is yours, strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind, live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. But you know where to go if you follow that heart.
All right, so I am finished with the baby girl's bedroom. Let me know what you guys think. I am actually loving these curtains. Now, my only thing is, and I actually customized them this way. In a perfect world, these would be kissing the floor, but it's a toddler's room. I don't want her to be in here playing and she steps on the curtain and everything comes down. I really don't want that. That's actually a fear of mine. So I go low enough, but it's not kissing. Unlike my teenager's room now, hers is kissing the floor, and that's the way I like all my curtains. Now, for sunlight purposes, they do come with a tie back, as I said earlier, so we'll be using this throughout the daytime. It looks beautiful either way. I want her room to be cozy but very kid friendly. I don't normally use tie backs because I normally have triple pleat curtains, but because these have the bows on top, oh my god, look at that, how beautiful. Because it has the bows on top, I don't want to keep moving it and have to be messing with it, so we're going to leave them as such. Now, I may go in and steam press the curtains because they are a little bit crushed. Let's see if I have the time on my hands to do that. But I'm loving how everything is looking. Let me give you all a little mini tour. So her mirror is from Target. Her chair is from Hobby Lobby with these wall accents as well. I don't remember where these are from because I've had them for quite some time. Probably Burlington. This is probably from Burlington. The petal wall accents, they are from Hobby Lobby. Her bed is from Amazon. Her bed frame is from Amazon. Her mattress is from Amazon. Love purchasing items from Amazon. Her lamps are from Hobby Lobby. Her side tables, that was a collab with a brand. Let me know if you want me to link anything in baby girl room. I love linking stuff for y'all, but I do forget sometimes. Her wall shelves, they are from Target, and I told y'all where everything else here is from. Now, as for her custom name, I actually had that over her crib when she was a baby. That's from Etsy. I got that from an Etsy shop. This is from Home Goods. That was for my teenager. She had it since she was a baby and she passed it on to her little sister, which is oh so cute. Of course, I am not going to refresh a space and do not put a nice picture frame art from YouTube, so I'm just gonna leave this on her television just to give it the vibe. In here is so cozy. It's so fresh. I'm gonna start the vacuum now and let it, let it clean the area because of course, dust. Oh, by the way, her lamp, this is from Amazon as well. Her chandelier, it's actually a fandelier, that's from Amazon. So we are actually through with baby girl's room. I am gonna move on to my teenager's room. I just need to change her curtains because she already cleaned her room yesterday, which is perfect. So let's get this vacuum started and move on to the other bedroom. I am trying out a different color curtain. This is very bold, very different, but I love me some 2 pages curtains. Memory trained, of course. Oh my God. Ah! So some people were doubting my expertise in putting up these curtains. They were like, I don't think I'm gonna like this green. It's just not my style. It's too green. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put them up, and if they don't work, then I'm just gonna wash the other ones and put them back up. But I am here to tell you this on this day, Monday, April 13th, that
I like the curtains.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
It in the packaging, it probably threw me off.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
I didn't know how I was gonna like style it in my room either.
Right. Correct.
Cause it's like a very awkward.
Do you know I have samples of these, right? Of all the colors. I do have samples. So I go through the samples and choose.
I know, but it's just like.
So yeah, y'all can get a sample from 2 pages before you actually order your curtains if you're not sure of the color. But look at this vibe that it's giving when it's closed. Look at that. Dark. Nice. Still a little light peeking through. Perfection. Perfection. See? I was thinking about you.
Yes, for me.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry.